Welcome! Today we're going to break down a really powerful step-by-step blueprint. It's designed specifically for young tech professionals in Kenya, to help you build a brand that actually gets you noticed and, most importantly, paid.
So, let me guess. You've put in all the work, you've got the skills, but are you finding it hard to land those clients, those jobs, or just the recognition you absolutely deserve? It's a super common problem, but the solution probably isn't what you think it is. See, the game has totally changed. It's not about fancy aesthetics or posting motivational quotes anymore. Today, a strong personal brand, a real one, is built on three things and three things only: strategic positioning, public proof of your skills, and consistent visibility where it actually matters.
All right, let's get right into the foundation. Think of this as the bedrock for literally everything else we're going to talk about. If we get this part right, the whole system just clicks into place. But if we skip it, well, things can get messy pretty fast.
Okay, this is probably the most important decision you'll make. It's so easy to get pulled in a million different directions. You're the tech guy, the designer, the AI expert, the crypto guru. Look, if you try to be all of those things, you'll just end up being nothing to anyone. In a noisy market like this one, clarity is your single biggest advantage.
Just look at the contrast on this slide. It's so clear, right? Being a tech guy is vague. It's totally forgettable. But look at the alternatives. Campus AI Automations Builder. Wow, that's specific. It tells me exactly who you are and what problem you solve. It's memorable and it's valuable.
Here is a simple but honestly a really powerful formula to lock in that clarity. I call it your power statement. Just fill in these blanks. I help a specific group achieve a clear result using my tech skill. Seriously, take a moment to do this. This one sentence can become the North Star for your entire brand.
Next up, you need to choose your energy. What's your dominant tone? Are you the calm and smart developer who explains things logically, or maybe you're the confident and loud marketer who just commands attention? Pick one and then stick to it. Don't try to mix them up. Consistency is what makes you memorable.
And that consistency, it needs to carry over to your visuals too. And you do not need a huge budget for this. Just use your real name, go grab the same handle on your main platforms, and pick a clean, text-safe color palette. Something simple like a dark gray or black with one strong accent color looks super professional and makes you instantly recognizable.
Okay, let's keep building on this. With your foundation all set, now it's time to actually show people what you can do. This is the part where you stop just talking about your skills and start actively proving them out in the open. Look, every serious tech professional needs what I call a proof hub. This is your central point of verification, a simple, clean, one-page website where any potential client or employer can go to confirm that you are, in fact, the real deal. And it only needs four things, okay? Don't overcomplicate it. A clear statement of who you are, what you do, some examples of your work, and yes, even personal projects count, and most importantly, a very, very clear way for people to contact you. Keep it simple and direct. So, here's a crucial point. You have to make it incredibly easy for people to reach out. And in the Kenyan market, nothing builds trust and lowers friction faster than a direct WhatsApp button. It just signals that you're accessible, you're responsive, and you're ready to do business. It's a game changer.
Okay, let's talk content. Your goal here isn't just to chase likes and go viral. It's to build authority. And the best way to do that is to focus on three pillars. Build in public by showing your process, teach simply by breaking down tech concepts for the local context, and always, always, always show proof of your results.
And this right here, this is a brilliant and simple structure you can use for every single piece of content you create. Start with a relatable hook, state the problem your audience is facing, offer your unique insight or your solution, and then end with a clear call to action. It works every time.
But listen, you do not need to be everywhere at once. Seriously, that is a recipe for burnout. The strategic move is to choose a maximum of 2 platforms where the decision makers are already hanging out. For tech in Kenya, that usually means places like X for credibility, LinkedIn for jobs, and maybe TikTok for some rapid growth.
Okay, this is where it all comes together. This is how you turn your brand from a one-time setup into a living, breathing system that consistently brings opportunities to you even while you're busy doing your actual work. Let's be very, very clear about this. All the branding in the world is completely useless if you don't have something for people to buy. You have to package your skills into clear, buyable offers with a defined price range and a very specific outcome.
And you can start small and tangible. You don't have to overthink it. Think about offering a simple website setup for a fixed fee. Or building a resume portfolio for someone, or maybe creating a custom AI chatbot for a small business. These are concrete services people understand and are happy to pay for.
The key to growth, it's consistency, not intensity. So to avoid burnout, just adopt this simple weekly routine. Create 2 short-form videos, write 1 educational post, and share 1 post that shows off your results. That is it. A little pro tip, batch it all on a Sunday afternoon and you're set for the entire week. And finally, please don't forget to get offline. Your online brand is incredibly powerful, but so many opportunities come from just being in the right room. Make it a goal to attend at least one tech, startup, or campus event every single month to connect with real people in person.
So we've covered the entire blueprint, from the foundation all the way to the growth system. And now it's time for what is, by far, the most important part of this entire explainer, putting it all into action.
But before you jump in, just be aware of these common traps. First, don't just copy foreign creators blindly. Always contextualize for Kenya. Second, don't try to look too professional too early. Authenticity is what builds real trust. And please, do not hide your face. People connect with people, not with logos.
The most important thing now is to take action immediately, like right now while this is all fresh in your mind. Here are 5 things you can do the moment this explainer ends. Write your brand statement. Pick your 2 platforms. Build that simple 1-page site. Post your first build in public video, and then DM 5 people offering some genuine value.
Look, this isn't just theory. This is your launch pad. Starting today, I want you to treat your personal brand like it's your most important project. So, the real question is, what is the one thing you're going to do today to get started? And when are you officially launching?